Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe for more football updates. Kylian Mbappe and Vinícius Jr. converted penalties to help earn Real Madrid a 2-0 win at Real Valladolid after the host was repeatedly denied by the woodwork in La Liga on Saturday. Vinícius put the visitors ahead in the 58th minute after an unnecessary handball by the former Manchester City player Sergio Gomez gave the Madrid forward the chance to break the deadlock. Mbappe put the results beyond doubt in the 75th minute after a video review by the referee determined that Real Sociedad defender stamped on Vinícius' foot in the box. Real Madrid opens its Champions League defense against Stuttgart on Tuesday. If you are a fan of the Royal Club, subscribe to the channel for more football updates.